guys, this is another one for you guys. So I'm very excited about this one that I have just come up with, guys. So probably you already know this website, or you probably are lucky you don't know this website, but now you're very lucky that you have clicked on this video and you finally found this website. So I'm just gonna walk through this website so that you can actually see what exactly this website is all about and what you can find inside of this website. So the only thing you can just do, man, to get on this website, you just go straight to your Google, and then you just Google Upwork.com, and then you are in onto this website. So this website, man, you just come straight here, you sign up for a free account, and then you get onto, or you can just stretch it down, and you can even choose the offering that works best for you. You can just go with the free one, or you can take the plus one, or you can take the enterprise, so you can just choose which one that's gonna best suit for you. But as for now, the most important, you just get onto the website. You can just choose the free one so that you can get onto the website and be able to actually get to learn the basics of it, and so that you can actually get to understand what exactly is happening on to this website. So the first thing you have to check onto this website, it has a lot of stuff, web, mobile and soft developer, design and creative, writing, sales and marketing, admin support, customer service, data science and analytics, engineering and structure. This website has it all, but you can just come on to here, and then you can get your skill and just grow it and be the best you can be, and just start making some money on. So everyone has a skill that they have. So this is the place for you, man. So you can just sell what you're good at and make some money. So you can get paid a lot of money, a lot of money. So we're gonna come here and check what exactly this website has. So the web developer, you just come here, come on to this one here, and so in this web developer, it has a lot. It got mobile, design, writing, admin, you see, and these are the top paid people that are already using this as of today. This, you're probably gonna watch this maybe after some time. It could be you next time on to here. This guy is making $50 an hour, $52 an hour, $48 an hour, $35 an hour. You can just preview their profiles so that you can be able to make your own profile, so you can see what's working and what's not working, so that you can be able to model. They say, man, if you want to be successful, you gotta model those who are already successful, so that you can be able to learn from the best. They say, show me your friend, and then I will tell you who you really are, man. So this is what it is, man. So you just come here, you find out what you're good at. Writing, if you're good at writing, you can just see here, look for the best writer. It could be you who's the writer right there. Blog, blog and article writers, web content writers, technical writers, creative writers, copywriters, editors. We could click here and we could find you. Let's click on the blog and article. It says hire the best article writer. Upwork is how you see. Okay, the most important, guys, is right here. This is how it works. You come on to here, you post a job, it's for free. You tell us your project. Upwork connects you with top talent around the world or near you. Get qualified proposal within 24 hours. Compare the bids, review and prior work, interview favorites and hire the best fit. You can read all of this, and just be able to understand what what this website is all about. So this website is trusted by these big companies, man. Microsoft, Airbnb. You see these are the big companies, man. So this website, guys, is the best one. It's one of the best. So you just come into here, you see these best guys there, they gonna do a great job for you. So everything you want done, you're gonna be able to get it here. You will be able to get it on this side. So all you have to do is just get started here. You do whatever, you just follow through and be able to see what you can be able to do. Designs, you see all the designs here. Sorry, it's COVID. You come on to design, find a qualified freelancer and the agencies for design and creative. You see, you can even have the entire company working on Skillshare. Have your own best people. You can even hire people to work on this site. Every day there are jobs. Every day there are a lot of jobs that you can do. You just go tell somebody, do this. It's probably you are already working for somebody who has an agency on Skillshare and you don't even know. You've been writing blog posts, you've been designing logos, you've been designing a lot. Being hired by somebody who just saw this thing on the internet and now he has a double store building and you are working for the guy or working for the woman. You don't even know this is where he just posts his jobs from. So guys, all I'm saying is look up this website and be able to see if you can make some money. At some later stage, I will show you guys what I have made on this website, that I'm keep on sharing with you. I know somebody of you might ask, why am I even sharing this stuff? Why don't I just keep it to myself? Man, all I can say is I got help by somebody. I'm just keeping the work full, man, and just spreading the word as much as I can, because I know most of the people, they won't even listen to this. They won't even care. They'll just look at it and just think that I'm just wasting my time here. But I'm telling you, man, any success doesn't just come easy. You work at it and you become good at something, and then you start seeing the results. So guys, I'm gonna start to thank you for watching, and absolutely wish that you guys will look up onto this website and be able to make some money. So please guys, like this video and then you subscribe so that I can keep on giving you best I have found for you. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.